everyone, we are from the third group and today please let us introduce ourselves. Start from you.
My name is Eva Sitorus.
My name is Eva,
And we are going to talk about safety precaution.
I'm Gwen.
I'm Isabella Hutagalu.
And we will talk about electricity.
I'm Glenn and his name Rama, and we will talk about instruction.
Okay guys, that's all. Now let us move to the project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Gwen Tambuon.
And my name is Isabella Hutagalu.
And today we are going to talk to you about electricity.
I will tell you about the copper. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. If a copper wire is connected to the battery, an electric current flows in the wire. However, a current does not flow if we connect a piece of plastic to the battery, because plastic as an insulating material. It resists the flow of electricity. Bad conductor of electricity have a high resistance. In the simple flat-like circuit, the source is 1.5 volt. The load is 1.3 watt volt. Part of the transmission system is the metal body of the flashlight, and the control is leading switch. After removing the copper, place a piece of nichrome in the circuit. The lamp is dimmer. Nichrome has a high resistance and the current does not flow easily. This fire uses electricity for heating. The heating element is made of nichrome, which is a bad conductor of electricity. It has a high resistance and current cannot flow easily. Therefore, the current passing through the element generates heat. Now, look at the circuit diagram at the above. The lamp is in the middle of the diagram. At the bottom, a voltmeter is connected across it. The switch is on the left, towards the bottom, and the ammeter is on the right, towards the top. The battery is on the top and on the left.
Okay everyone, today we are going to talk about Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the electric current flowing through a conductor is always directly proportional to the voltage applied to it, which means that the current equals the voltage divided the resistance. Resistance is measured in ohms and the current is measured in ampere and the voltage in volt. Now, we can turn this formula into voltage equals I equals current times resistance. This formula is used to measure the voltage. Now, we can try to insert a number in it. So, I will be 5 amps and resistance will be 10 ohm. Let's use this formula. Voltage equals I, which means 5 times 10 resistance, 10 ohms, and then that will be 50 voltage, 50 volt. Fun fact about a resistor. A resistor is made of a material which resists the flow of electricity. Some resistors are made of nichrome. Now, using that formula before, we can also measure power. Power in the formula is power equals current times voltage. Now, let's start inserting a number. We can use that 5 ampere. That's this. 5 times V voltage will be 50 volt. is measured in watts.
Okay guys, now we are going to talk about conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. Now, if we connect a battery across a body, there is a movement of free electrons towards the positive end. Now, this movement of electrons is an electrical current. Now, all materials can be classified into three groups according to how readily they permit an electrical current to flow. Now, these are conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. First, conductors. Now, conductors are substances which provide an easy path for an electric current. Now, all metals are conductors. However, some metals do not conduct well. Manganese, for example, is a poor conductor. And a copper is a good conductor. Therefore, it is widely used for cables. There is also a non-metal which conducts well. That is a carbon. And salt water is an example of a liquid conductor. The second one is insulator. Insulator is a material which does not easily release electrons. Rubber, nylon, porcelain are all insulators. There are no perfect insulators. All insulators will allow some flow of electrons. However, this can usually be ignored because the flow they permit is so small. The third one are semiconductors. Semiconductors are midway between conductors and insulators. Under certain conditions, they allow a current of flow easily, but under others, they behave as insulators. Germanium and silicon are semiconductors. Mixtures of the certain metallic oxides also act as semiconductors. These are known as thermistors. The resistance of thermistors fall rapidly as their temperature rises. They are therefore used in temperature sensing devices.
Now, I will tell you about circuit element. Current moves from a point of high potential energy to one of low potential. It can only do so if there is a path for it to follow. This path is called an electric circuit. All circuits contain four elements: a source, a load, a transmission system, and a control. The first one is the source. The source provides the electromotive force. This electabilities the difference in potential which makes your flow possible. The source can be any device which supplies electric energy. For example, it may be a generator or battery. The second one is the load. The load converts the electrical energy from the source into some other form of energy. For instance, a lamp changes electrical energy into light and heat. The load can be any electrical device. The third one is the transmission system. The transmission system conducts the current around the circuit. Any conductor can be a part of transmission system. Most systems consist of wire. It's often possible, however, for the metal frame of unit to be one section of its transmission system. For example, the metal chassis of many electrical devices are used to conduct current. Similar to the body of a car is part of its electrical transmission system. The last one is the control. The control regulates the current flow in the circuit. It may control the current by limiting it, as does a result, or by interrupting it, as does a switch. Okay guys, that's all for now. I'm Isabella Hutagalung.
I'm Gwen Tamuan.
See you next time.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about safety precaution. But before then, we are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Maya and my friend Eva Zedorus. And let's start! So guys, safety precaution is an action taken in advance to protect against possible danger, failure or injury or safeguard. Follow is safety precaution when using heavy machinery.
Okay So right now my friends is using a safety precautions things. So safety precaution things is include a helmet, goggles, mask, ear protector, gloves, safety clothes and safety shoes. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to explain the function of this thing. So the first is helmet. The main function of the safety helmet itself is to protect the head of the worker so that he can avoid falling and other things and minimize the injury that will hit the worker. The second thing is goggles. The function of safety glasses can protect the eyes from dust and spaces of liquid chemicals. The third thing is mask. The function of the safety mask is very useful to help maintain the respiratory tract when working in a place that is easily cooled by air or dust that can cause respiratory diseases. So guys, the fourth thing is ear protector. The function of the ear plug device is to protect the ear against excessive noise so that it can cause damage to the hearing system. Okay, so the next thing is safety clothes. The function of uniform safety is to protect the body when things happen that are harmful or that will cause an accident when going to work. Okay guys, so the sixth thing is gloves. The function of the safety gloves to protect hands from various sharp objects and prevent injuries to the hands and fingers while working. The last one is safety shoes. The function of the use of safety shoes is protecting from sharp and dangerous objects such as broken glass, iron, or other debris which is currently very dangerous to your feet. Thank you guys.
That's all for now. My name is Maya.
I'm Eva. See you. Bye.
Okay guys, thank you for the opportunity given to us. Now we will explain you about fire extinguisher. And my name is Abdi Ramadhani and my friend.
My name is Glenari Toyu. Today we are going to tell the fire extinguisher. Can you explain it to us?
Yeah, sure. Fire extinguisher, which is generally in Indonesia, is called a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher or fire extinguisher is a portable fire extinguisher that can remove water, foam, gas, and other media that are able to extinguish the fire cause of fire.
Okay, and the function of portable fire extinguisher tubes. The fire extinguisher tube is portable, so it can only be used to extinguish small fire or only function to control an emergency atmosphere during a fire. And you know, Ram, besides there are still many types of fire extinguisher.
Okay, try to explain, friend.
Okay, the fire extinguisher section are this safety pin and this handle, this tube, this nozzle, this pressure gauge, and this high pressure gas canister, and then this dry chemical. Okay. And here are the types of fire extinguisher. The first is types extinguisher foam, and next the second fire extinguisher types is powder, and third fire extinguisher CO2, and the last fire extinguisher types is wet chemical.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.